Revid AI review. Is it legit or a scam? Let's find out. So Revid AI is an AI-powered video creation and editing platform designed for content creators and marketers. It converts text, music, blog posts, or other inputs into vertical social media videos using auto-generated scripts, avatars, voices, transitions, and visual effects optimized for TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube Shorts. So what it offers is a rapid video creation. It turns prompts or text into multi-scene videos with AI-generated voices and animated avatars within minutes, saving hours compared to manual editing. They also have a script and hook generation. They even have a viral content inspiration which provides access to a library of millions of trending social media posts. They also have a user-friendly interface and they have a feature-rich plans, which has a credible use cases for like TikTok and other platforms. Although it comes with weaknesses and warning signs. It has a high subscription cost. They even have frequent negative reviews for support and they have inconsistent AI output quality. There's no full feature, free tier, and they have auto credits and cost problems. So in conclusion, it's best for content creators or small businesses needing fast, short-form social video. But it's not ideal for users requiring granular manual editing. So it's a legitimate tool with real capabilities, particularly for quickly generating short-form videos intended for social media.